Most people get this wrong. They think Prime Fund is just another quick loan app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that Prime Fund has evolved into a versatile financial platform, offering fast access to wages, installment payment options, and insights to help you budget smarter. Here's how it works. Prime Fund lets you access a portion of your earned income before payday, usually within hours. This can be a lifesaver for unexpected bills, urgent expenses, or emergencies without relying on high-interest credit cards. Eligible purchases can also be split into manageable payments, helping you control monthly spending. The app is easy to navigate. You can track advances, view repayment schedules, and analyze spending trends. Push notifications and reminders help you avoid late fees and maintain financial discipline. The downside? Overusing Prime Fund can get expensive. Frequent advances or missed payments can quickly add up in fees, so it's best used as a short-term financial solution rather than a long-term fix. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only take advances or installments you can realistically repay. 2. Enable notifications to stay on top of repayments. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce reliance on the app. Who benefits most? Users with steady incomes who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. Those with inconsistent income or poor repayment habits may find fees outweigh the convenience. In conclusion, Prime Fund in 2026 is a practical and flexible tool, but only if used wisely. Plan repayments carefully, track your spending, and treat it as a temporary aid. Subscribe for honest app reviews and actionable tips to stay in control of your finances.